of all, what are touchstone moments? So those are moments I think there's two ways to define this. Some people call it moments that are emotionally important to the character in the story, and that is true too. But what I am specifically talking about today are moments that are emotionally valuable to you, the author, because these are ways that you can get inside your characters' heads, especially if you're struggling with a character. I may be emotion first in my writing, but I often struggle to get into the heads of characters that are different than me. It's really easy for me to get into the head of the character that's the most similar to me, but the ones that are different than me, I sometimes struggle with.